Traders, ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you here back to our channel. I'm Simon Gunn, and today is Wednesday. Trader, this is the fourth day of the week for us here, and we're tuning in here. It's almost 7 p.m. In 13 minutes, we're gonna hit 7 p.m. Eastern time here. Ladies and gentlemen, we're tuning in a little bit earlier in order to start analyzing our trade before the time. Traders, and we want to remind you that trading is difficult, very, very risky. So you guys have to do yourself a favor by trading in a demo account, because we're here to learn how to trade. We're looking for skills and entertaining ourselves at the same time. So I'm going now to welcome our French speaking people, since our channel is bilingual. Mesdames, Mesdemoiselles, Messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue une fois de plus sur notre chaîne Trade Africa. Je suis Simon Gunn et aujourd'hui c'est mercredi soir. Alors ça c'est le 4e jour de notre semaine. Nous sommes très heureux d'être ici et il sera 19h dans 12 minutes. Chers traders. Alors nous ouvrons cette soirée et d'ici peu nous allons commencer par nos analyses techniques avant d'attendre 19h, l'heure où nous commençons souvent à trade s'il y a des opportunités. Donc nous ne dirons pas ceci assez. Le trading est une activité très difficile et risquante. Alors pour cette raison, nous vous supplions de ne pas trade avec le vrai argent, trade avec un compte démo, voilà, et ne pas utiliser l'argent de vos ressources. So let's now start with the analysis. Our trade, ladies and gentlemen, let's turn everything on the daily chart. Trader, let's go to the daily chart and go to see what we're having here, what's going on here, ladies and gentlemen. We see that we're now having a green candle rebounce, green candle, which is great because the market has been going down and down. So we now have green candle, traders, which is nice to see. So we have a rebouncing green candle, ladies and gentlemen, and that is what we're having here today. So let's now check our trade. Trader. Okay. So as you can see here in our daily chart, ladies and gentlemen, we have a bounce here. We have a bounce. We don't know if we're gonna keep going up. As you can see, here we have consolidation. Here we have a bounce. So it might just be a rebound, which might still see, because we saw the candle closing and now it starts opening now. We don't know if we might keep going up this evening, but we need to consider it, and also considering the pullback, that those candles going up like this, we might see a dry down, in the same candle or continuation. But what is true here is that we need to follow the trend, traders. Stopping to jump, we shouldn't jump the gun, but we should follow the trend where the market is heading, which is very important, traders. Yesterday was a great day. We have a very great day on Monday and Tuesday yesterday. So today, hopefully, we're going to have a great day as well. But on the Sunday, we had a red day. ladies and gentlemen. We had already on Sunday. So, but the two last day was very nice. So hopefully we'll now do great things today again, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go to 4 hours, traders. That is our 4 hour. You can see how the candle came here and closed, and now it start coming back down. So we need to be careful. You might see a continuation down because people are taking profit. When you see a pullback like this downside, you see this kind of move, people who were in the water, because there were people entering this trade here for long, this pullback here, they enter here for long, but the market keep going down and they keep holding. So the market now rebounds. They came right here, even though it didn't come to give them profit, they will jump out. Most of them will jump out, traders. That is how they do. Because if you are the one who was in the water, and now the market rebounds like this to the higher of where you enter, what are you going to do? You directly jump out. Most of the people are going to jump out. That is what they did. As you can see, 4 hours here, came to the resistance, and now I start drying down again. So that is how it works. Sometimes because the market is psychology. Psychology of people. People have think the same thing, over and over. So that is how it is. And if you know how to read human psychology, you will be able to do those stuff, very, very important. So now, let's go now to our 5 minutes. Comme je disais, le marché a fait un gros bond. Voilà, les gens ont été dans l'eau, comme vous voyez, depuis. Il y a les gens qui ont été dans la bête et subitement le marché s'est retourné, comme vous voyez, et ils sont sortis. Voilà. Chacun d'entre nous fera la même chose. Tu as perdu beaucoup d'argent et que tu continues à arrêter, à ce niveau-ci, tu dois sortir. Ce que les gens ont fait avant que vous voyez que le marché descend. Donc nous allons voir ce qui va se passer tout à l'heure. Let's see what will happen soon, trader. Let's keep our trade now and we'll see what's going to happen soon. So you see that the market is above all our technical analysis. Market is above all our technical analysis. We don't know what will happen. But what I expect is that I expect this market to go back to retest the top, and I come back down. I will feel very comfortable. So we'll probably see the market going a little bit up and now flush down. That is the first idea I have here, and the second one is that the market may come down here, break the 20, and I come lower to this technical analysis, this 50. I come down to the 50 here, retest the 50, and now I pull back up. Those are the two scenarios I'm waiting to see. So let's watch and see. Comme je disais que j'espère que le marché puisse descendre, casser le 20 et descendre vers 62,50. Voilà, et replier. Ou bien retourner vers le haut et retester ici avant de redescendre. Ce sont les deux scénarios que j'observe. Maintenant, voir. So, that is my analysis. Let's be patient, traders. We want to welcome everybody, those who are already tuning here. And we are very grateful for you guys to assist us. You know, when you guys are connected, it makes us happy because, particularly me, it's helped me to be more focused. Because when I know that I'm here, that people are watching me, you know, I have to do everything I can to respect my rules, to trade, to remain professional, you know, at least to make few mistakes. That is the reason why I started trading live, because when you're trading privately in four walls, you know, you are your own boss. Nobody judge you. You do everything you want. You make mistake, you have no accountability, you know. So it makes you not improving your skills, not growing fast. So, and I decided now that I have to trade live. It's not to show up, no. You can even see how many units I'm taking. You know, I'm trading with a small amount of money because we're still learning, which I encourage you guys also to do. You know, you don't have to put big money. You don't have to use even money. You can go with demo. Because you're learning, you know. When we, you know, become professional, we can increase our share or our unit, you know. So when you're trading by yourself, you can make all kind of mistake you want because nobody watch you. You have no accountability, you know. But when I'm trading live, I know that people are watching me. I need to do what is good. I need to focus on process, not on the outcome. You know, and that helped me to improve every day. That is the reason why I'm trading live. You know, because most of the profitable traders, most of them were trading live too. It's not to show up. No, it's like when you start doing courses. For example, in our channel, you can see that we have a lot of courses there, free courses. Those are the courses which took me a lot of time to prepare, you know, those courses. And with all the, you know, the information, which I can call, how can I say, all the education I bought from other, you know, other best trader in the world. All those education, I start putting them on the courses. And maybe in the future, I'll put them on the book, you know. But why? Because when you teach people, you're teaching yourself. Yeah? You teach people, you're teaching yourself. That is the reason why I decided to start making courses and putting them, you know, there. People may ask, what are you doing this? Why? Oh, you know, it's because those are the way for me, you know, to find what I'm looking for. It's not that I'm getting money from somebody, no. It's not that I'm selling something, no. I don't sell anything to anybody. I'm even willing to help, you know. But the fact that I'm teaching, the fact that I'm live here, the fact that I'm talking to you guys, I'm answering your question. If you guys have any question, that helped me to remain, you know, aware, remain vigilant, to remain what? To practice. That helped me to grow. That is my secret. That is the reason why I'm here every day. And trading, you need discipline in trading. Trading is discipline, and discipline is psychology. So if you are not disciplined, or you can't have a discipline in your private life, you can't be disciplined in your own life, in your job, in your day-to-day activity. You say something, you don't do it. You do it, you don't say it. So you live like that day to day, you don't know what you're doing. That's going to affect your trading. It's going to affect you because you're not an organized man. Trading requires to be organized. First of all, you need to know what time you're trading and what time you have to stop. And when you take a trade, how do you take a trade? Yet all those things have to count. What are those signs? Your entry and your exit. So, and when you're taking those trades, the duration and which market are you trading? Are you trading everything you see, or you trade stocks, future, option, crypto, Forex, and everything? You just trading all section. You trade. Let's say you take Forex. You say I'm trading just Forex, like I'm trading right now. It's not bad to trade different market, but you need just to be organized. If you're trading Forex, which section? For Forex have 3 major sections. We have, 4 major sections. We have Sydney market, we have London market, we have Tokyo market, and we have New York market. Which section are you trading? Are you just trading all the sections at the same time? Okay. And if you're trading each session, you're trading those sessions, what time, from what time you start and what time you end, you gotta, organize all those things. You gotta know what you're doing. And are you journaling your trading? That is the most important part, man. That is one big one. You have to write data, tracking your trade, writing them down. That is why they're telling you that take trading as your business. You have to journal everything, writing down. Man, when you're writing down yourself, let's say you took a trade and you miss, and you go there, your sheet, you write down that, hey, I took this trade and it didn't work out. It didn't work. So when you do that, it remains in your mind that you took this trade. I show you. People will say that I don't have money because I have a software called TradeZilla. I do that, or TraderView. You can take it. This is one of my spreadsheet. You can see this is Excel sheet. I do that here. I take a trade. You see, I don't follow the trend. I don't follow the trend. This is what I lost. This is support and resistance. You see, I write it here. Support and resistance. I mark there. I mark everything here. As you can see, it's not just this one. I have also this other, the same place. I have different strategy. I mark those strategies here, as you can see, and now you can see how I'm taking the traders. Those are my spreadsheet. I do it manually. I mark when I win a trade, I write down. I lose it, I write down. I'm just showing you what I'm doing, trader. I'm not hiding anything here. That is my process. Those are my process of trading. You see here as I'm doing, and also I mark now the day I losing trade, winning trade. I mark all here, as you can see. Losing trade, winning trade. You see, I mark everything there. So this is the way I trader. What I'm doing here. I'm just trying to show you that I'm doing the work. And I encourage you guys also to do the same. You can do the same things, to improve your trading. You can do that. Don't say I don't have money to buy a software like TradeZilla, which costs maybe $400 a year. I don't have money. I don't have anything. If you don't have money, you can take a spreadsheet. Even though you don't have a Excel sheet here, you can take now your white paper. You take it. You take any paper. You write down everything you're doing. It's very, very important, traders. If you're very, very serious in what you're doing, you will do this. It took me a long time to know this. It took me years. I've been trading for 5 years. It's true that it's just recent. Last year I started, I can say in January, I started trading the Forex because I didn't have time for the stock. My problem was time because I'm a business owner. I do other business, so I don't have time to trade every day like this. Trading requires practicing. You need to practice trading. Regularly practicing your trade. You will never become better overnight. You gotta take time. This is a long process. Long endeavor. Trader. You take time. If you think you're gonna make money overnight, you're gonna become millionaire overnight, they're lying to you. Nothing better in this world are quick. No. If people promise you that, hey, they can help you to become good at maybe 2 days, 3 days, it doesn't mean that you cannot become profitable in 1 year or 2 years, depending on your ability. Trading depends on each individual person, your ability. For example, if they ask you to work on the stick, for example, to have balance, walking on one stick like this. Most of us will try. Some will be able to work on it. Some other maybe might fail the first time, the second time, or the third time. Or they can even just walk maybe for a few miles, or 1 mile, or 2. That is how it is. Depending on your ability, you can make it. That people, they start trading, they just become profitable 6 months. Yeah, I heard it, but I never see, but I heard it. Other people, 1 year, some 2 years, other 3 years, depending of your performance, Same thing, you're driving a car, you go and learn how to drive a car. That people, you will teach them forever. They will never know how to drive. They keep having accidents every day, keep scratching the car all over the time. There are people who start driving up to now, they never have any accident. They never ever have an accident. They have been driving for 20 years. But there are people, just 6 months, they already have 5 accidents recorded. So those examples help me to tell you that the ability, to learn there. I've been trading for 5 years. Maybe I'm not yet profitable, for multiple reasons. It might be my ability, yeah, it's possible. Or the fact that I don't have too much time to practice because I was trading the stock market, not Forex. Forex market and stock market, 2 different things. Even though it's just trading, but they're different. So those are the few tips I can give you, traders, as a trader, to tell you that I can encourage you, those who come here, tuning in here, because we're looking to become profitable traders. I'm just giving you a tip to tell you how difficult it is. My journey, up to now, have not been easy. And those journey, when you do it, you don't have anybody to advise you. And when you come stepping, you think that everything gonna turn around, right away. But it's not like that way. And in the meantime, all those advice I'm giving you is because I have experience. To get that experience, it cost me too much money. Yep. That is why I don't want you guys to have the same, the same experience, a bad experience. It cost me a lot of thousands, tens of thousands of dollars to get this experience. I'm telling you. Yep. So start small. Don't fool yourself. Don't say you're going to beat the market. You're going to turn it around overnight. You're going to make it happen quick. No. Don't think that. It will be like somebody is just started learning how to throw the basketball. You take a basketball, you heard about basketball, you now go and buy a ball, you take it home, you take the basket, you put somewhere, you start throwing some. You say, oh, you know what? I'm going to become an NBA. I'm going to beat the James Brown, the Brown James. I'm going to beat him. I'm going to beat him. He doesn't know anything. I think I know better than him. You now organize now to go, or maybe a small boxer. You're boxing for a few days. You say you're going to box Mike Tyson. When he was, I don't know the guy who is the champion of the world now, but I just know Mike Tyson before. Say you're gonna beat him. You gotta be hard. You might even get killed. So that is how trading is about. Trading, you need time, you need patience, you need all those things. So trader, we now going ahead here. We see our trade is coming down. We want to break now the 20, and that is what we're expecting. Want our trade to come to the 50 here down. And up to now, we are not taking any trade. It's breaking the 20. We don't want to jump the gun. We need to wait and see. Yep. Need to wait. Keep waiting. Chez Trader, je parlais en anglais, je disais qu'il est très important d'être patient dans le trading. La patience est très importante parce que j'ai trade depuis 5 ans et j'ai commencé par le stock et ici aujourd'hui je fais le Forex. Voilà. Donc j'ai beaucoup d'expérience que je peux vous expliquer. Il faut être patient. C'est pas du jour au lendemain que les choses se passeront. Dans le temps, le trading prend bien du temps. C'est vrai que certains s'en sortent après 6, 8 mois, 1 an, mais la majorité des personnes, c'est lorsqu'ils ont passé bien du temps dans cette affaire avant que les choses marchent. Alors, beaucoup de patience pour nous. Nous devons être patients et attendre. Voilà. So, we're now hitting the resistance here, the support. We're hitting the support here below here, hitting support, traders. So let me see here as well. Support there as well. Great. Let's see. Going down, trader. Like I said that we have 2 things we're waiting here. Our trade have to come down, and we see how our trade are coming down, so which is great. Happy to see that. So we are now here on the 50. Trader. So we need to wait and see. We saw rejection. Here we're on the 50, we're on the 50 here. We need to see. We don't want to jump the gun here, trader. We need to wait and see how our technical analysis, our pattern gonna form. We need to see now the first green candle, or if it maybe we might see another break, continuation down. It's possible. At this level, I'm not chasing it. I'm waiting to see. Because we may see this keep coming down here, right to here, at the lower. It's possible. Possible to see this trade just here below the support. You might see our trade coming lower here. It's a possibility, traders. So for that reason, we don't know. We need to wait and see. Keep watching. Because we still have time, traders. We still have time ahead. We don't need to be hurried. We still have time. We still have time. We could answer question if there are, but if there is not, we wait our trade to form. I'm not taking any trade now. Gotta keep waiting. Vous avez vu comment je vous ai montré le travail que j'ai fait derrière. Voilà. Vous aussi pouvez le faire, comme je disais. Écrire son data, comme on appelle. Prendre les informations de ces trades. Vous avez perdu, vous avez gagné, vous les écrivez, c'est très très important. Voilà, très très important. C'est ce que je fais. Donc ça améliore votre trading à la mesure où lorsque vous revoyez vos trades et ça vous permet de les corriger. C'est ça. I don't also forget to tell you guys that all my video, you see the video I'm recording here, all those videos, I watch them before in the weekend because we don't have live on Friday and Saturday. Friday and Saturday and Sunday morning. You know, I take time to watch all those videos. Take time to watch them because by watching my own video, it helped me. That helped me to do what? To improve, to see my mistakes. Voilà. To see those mistakes and try to improve them. You know, one at a time. I know it's not easy to improve your mistakes right away, but it's very, very important to know that you're making mistakes. Because many people don't know that they're making mistakes because they don't rewatch their video. They don't rewatch their trade. They don't care. They take a couple of trades, they win some and they lost some, but they don't care to revise their trade. What makes them win? You know, I won here, but what made me win? You don't know. I lost this one. What made me lost? You don't know. You know, and that at the end, you see them making the same mistake over and over and over and over and over during days and days and days and weeks and weeks and weeks and month and month and month, even years. They keep making the same mistakes. You know. So I know it takes time to think like that way. Me too, I was there. They were telling me all those things, but I didn't do them. You know, until time came, find it very necessary to do it, start doing. And I can tell you that helped me a lot. So I can also recommend that to you guys who are watching me now, or who watch this video maybe from now in 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, 2 years, 5, 10 years. You need to journal your trade. Very, very important. Or watch your own movies, which means your own video. If you have a way to record them, you record them, and now you watch them. They're going to help you. You will see that, oh, I lost here because I knew what went wrong. I knew it. This is what went wrong in this trade. So tomorrow I won't do it again. For example, you have a loss. The loss come, you have you're losing trade. That loss come because you move your stop. You move your stop at the back, and now the trade keep coming against you. Keep coming. You keep moving your stop, or you average down. It means what? You bought on your losing trade. You add it, and you keep adding. You keep adding. You keep adding. At the end now, you finally realize that you blow out your account. When you rewatch your video, it will help you. See your mistakes, So that is it. Our trade now looks like you want to break the 50, coming down. It was Japanese, keep coming down. Let's see. Watching, yeah. We're approaching 7:30, no trade. We see now some kind of pullback, which is good, but probably we may have maybe continuation down. It might be possible, but let's see. If our trade show us that they want to go up there, maybe we might follow it. But let's see. If we go above the 20 yen, we'll be fine. We're now heading to the 20 EMA. We see a second green candle to make a new high. Now, maybe we attempt to follow, but we need to be careful because it might just be some kind of retest to a continuation downside. Shouldn't be blurred by this. Watching. If you're new to our channel, traders, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel so that and you turn the notification bell. Every day we're here Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Every day we're here except Friday and Saturday. We encourage you guys to join us every day here to learn how to trade together and to search for this very nice and important skills, which is trader. Be a trader. So we're coming back down, trader. That is why I was saying that shouldn't be blurred, Our eyes shouldn't be blurred by what happened, because we saw a rejection going up. We might see this keep coming down. It's possible. I'm not saying that is what's going to happen, but it's a possibility. Come down. Let's see. Maybe we'll see pullback. See a continuation down. Imagine that we took this trade for a long. We're already now scratching our eyes. So let's wait and see. Want to see maybe a reversal, a good one. Now we see Osai Japanese coming down. Osai Japanese coming down. Trader coming down. Trader. We escape this one. No trades wanted the sound. Share trader. Some are trading the sound. Continue at the sound. On va voir si on va avoir le rejet. Let's see if we're going to have a rejection. Now we have 7:35 p.m. Eastern Time. We're approaching now 8. Trader, no trade here. Still, we're still observing because the reason we don't take a trade here is that we don't know if our trade will keep coming down or stop here to turn around. We don't know. And when you don't know, trade something, you have to acknowledge it. You have to know that you don't know. And don't jump the gun, You gotta wait the appropriate time to enter the trade. You gotta let the trade come to you. Like we're letting this trade come into us. As I said at the beginning, I was saying that the trade may break here and keep coming down right to this low. That is where we want to take this trade. People will say, why don't we get a short from here and all the way to down? Yes, but it was hard to know because when you see this kind of move in the market, you're scared. You don't know if we'll have a continuation upside. So that is why you have to be careful and wait to see what the market is going to do. The market will do slowly what it's doing right now, very slowly, but follow it because you don't know what's going to happen. We're waiting this for the reversal. That is what I'm waiting. So maybe this is the fourth time I see that the market open figures here, and now after that it start coming back down like here. Those are the data we have to keep in mind. That when we see the market open and the market move a lot like this, okay, the next thing to know is that the market may come down. go back to where it started. So that is why we're experiencing here. This is the first time. See. Now coming down. Yes, with Japanese coming down with the speed. All our trade are coming down with the speed. It's a good move, trader, but I'm not in. I'm not in. I predicted, but I wasn't sure. That is why I didn't take it. J'étais pas sûr de ce qui devait se passer, trader. J'ai prédit, mais n'étant pas sûr. Ceux qui ont pu prendre ça, c'est bien. Congratulations. For those who took it, congratulations. I didn't take it. There'll always be an opportunity in the market. Don't feel FOMO, trader. Don't feel FOMO. That, oh, I lost the opportunity. We'll have another one. We have another opportunity. You don't just need one, not multiple, to make your day, you know. Let's see our trade. This one coming right here. Fine. Come here now. Start now watching the trade for the reversal. Australia will keep going down because it hasn't touched the support. You're going to see another a red candle on those trade. I'm feeling FOMO seeing this, this road from here to down, big reversal. see something like a pullback, trader. Let's watch here. Because this look like will come down again. $50 here. Look like we're having now maybe a reversal at this level. Trader. Look like that. We see a green candle to make new high, second green candle, it will be fine. Otherwise, you might see my experience the continuation down. Okay, we have a second green candle here to make a new high. In here, trader. Those 2, 3 here. So I keep those 3 trades at this time. I want to see the other guys coming in. So this guy also, I want to take this trader. Okay, and now in on my trade. So because it showed me that you want to go up, trader, I'm jumping on the trade now and placing my stop below here. I know we're approaching 8. It's dangerous, but I'm keeping my stop tight, trader. Keeping my stop tight here in case it doesn't work. Keep coming down, I'll be out of the trade, traders. So let's see. So we have been so patient. Maybe it's the time now to show our eagerness. So I'm on a trade. 6 trade now for long, trader. That is the lower we took now here to see if we can go up. If we don't, I will take a loss here. You know, my stop are not far away. I have a close stop, so let's see. Trader, we still have something like 14 minutes. No, 11 minutes now to 8. So maybe we might clean something before 8. So we'll moving in the right direction, trader. Let's see. Watching. Trader. Watching. For the long, we know that those stuff never go up. You know, keep going up and down, up and down, up and down. We need to be patient. If we lose here, some, we may come back in later. So let's see. Watch it. Should have cut trade. See a pullback. Let's see. You're watching. See here, our trade coming back down. Let's watch and see. Well, Japanese now want to break, come to the new low. If you come, we're going to take a loss there. Watching. It's hard to predict the direction of the trade, especially before it. Let's see. Want to see our trade turning green? I don't want my trade eight coming to meet me at this level, because you gotta be easier to flush down. So I don't know if it was just a retest and everything gotta come down. I don't know. So let's see. Where Japanese seems to come down, breaking the way to the new lower. It's fighting to do that, but let's see. Want to see green candle going above. Want to see our trade breaking. Five minutes here to 8. Watching. Still holding here. One position. 6 trader. I'm not going anywhere. Even when the market gonna open, I was still sticking there because my stop is not far away. You know, prefer to hold it. If it come and kick me out, I will take a loss. Trader. Hold it. Don't know if you're gonna have a confirmation down. Australia is trying to come back down. There's a 2 minute here. Flushing down now. Trader. Out of US Japanese. Trader. The loss. Gotta be out of my other trade. Out of US Japanese, maybe I've gotta be out also on my other trader. So if I'm out, I gotta wait. I'll take it. Take it. It's almost 8. Maybe 8 gonna flush. Who knows? Gotta keep sticking here. I don't know what's gonna happen. If it flush, that's fine. I take it. I'm close. I stop at close. So I have not much to lose. maybe Australia Japanese also gonna kick me out soon. Gotta be out of Australia Japanese and the other guys. No problem. I'm out. Out of Australia Japanese trader, the loss as well. So let's see now. Let's see. US Japanese coming down. All my trades are coming down. I'm out also. Other guys. So let's see. So US Japanese here is at the low. I'm getting US Japanese. I'm getting in also Australia here. I'm getting back in. And here as well. Trader, it's true that maybe I tried to enter a little bit earlier. Which I'm not sure. Let me wait for this guy. Wait. Okay. Now I readjust my stop here. This time I place this one here. This time. Guy here. Look like we keep coming down. Trader. So let's see. Out of China. It's not good. Trying to see, take a long trade for Euro Japanese. Gotta see if, let's see the reversal. in on Euro Japanese. And also I want to take this guy again. So let's see. This was a big blow for me, trader. This kind of reversal here I took here for the long, and I turn around, he came and kicked me out, so I'm just trying to re-enter. So I'm watching here, trader. Hopefully we'll see pullback. trader will see a big rejection from the top. We don't know what's going on here. Wow, this is unbelievable, trader. This is unbelievable. This kind of trading today is hard. We saw big move up. Now it rejected down. They kicked me out on US Japanese, and now it's coming to kick me out also on Canadian. Trader, this is hard for me to bear it. It's too much for me. So I need to get out of my trade quickly as possible. Yeah, I need to get out of my trade. So this is not good here. A trader coming down. So very, very difficult for me to see. Traders, very difficult. So I give more than mass loss on this account, trader. Really? That is why we say trading is difficult. Trading is very, very difficult. So sometimes you see a direction of the trade, but you think you're going to do this, but it doesn't. It does what you want to do. So that is the problem. Now we're going down. How to flip my account now. So went down yesterday, going down now. So I'm going, I'm trying to go long here, traders. I don't know if it's just a retest, but let me see, wait a little bit and see the direction. If it's properly going up, that was a support here. So there is a support. This was another, I don't know if this was a support, another support. It broke here. This looks like it's not a support, it's just retesting. Very unfortunate. Let's wait and see if we're going to continue down. Wait and see. Gotta continue down. We'll follow it down. down. Go down. I will go take a short. Trader, need to wait and see. We don't see any continuation down. I'm going in here, Twitter. I'm going in again. I don't know if we're going to go up or down. So I try again for the long. I wanted to go short, but I didn't see it coming back down. So let's see if we had continuation down. I'll jump out. Good. watching here. I took again trade for long. I don't know. Look like we keep going down. Gotta be ready to bail out in case. So I get out here, gotta be okay for today, trader. Gotta admit the defeat. If I get out now again, Trader, we already lost 2 rounds. We reached the mass loss on my other account. Maybe I'm going to reach the mass loss here as well. So if I lose this one, that is it for today. Yeah. So with China coming close to my stop. That is what I was saying, that trading takes time. You need time to become a trader. A lot of time, long period of time, because you gotta see all those things happening in the market. Not easy. Okay, react differently every day. So see consolidation here. Okay, want to continue down, but rejecting. Want to go up now. China is coming down. Look like we want to continue down on Europe and China. Let's see. This kind of loss should not say that won't happen. Losses happen. Maybe sometimes more than what you expect. So we gotta deal with that, traders. Gotta deal with that. Today Wednesday. Look like it's not mine. Want to see also Japanese pulling back. Where Japanese doing a little bit better. I'm still here watching to see what's going to happen. I don't know if we will take the downside. It's possible because it keep rejected upside. So we don't know. No matter the direction it's going to take, we will, accept it. Good day come, bad day come as well. And very bad. That is trading. But the good news is that we have our stop on the market. No. But sometimes the stop, you lose a lot. We saw a big downtrend here, big one. I didn't catch anything on it, no. So keep going down. Approaching now my stop on row. If I get out there, that gotta be enough for today. Cannot take any more than that. Twitter. I'm starting getting out my trade. So downtrend keep going down, traders. Keep going down here. I need to get out of my remaining trade. All right, today wasn't my, too much for me today. So what can I take from the trade of today's trader? I gotta remember that when I come on the trade, I see a move like this one before the market, before 7, I gotta be careful. Yeah, I gotta be careful. When Sydney market jump like this before Tokyo open, I gotta know that Tokyo might follow always what Sydney have done. I mean, I will reversal. That is what is here. That is what we have to keep in mind today when we come out, because it happened many times when Sydney open and go up like this, always come back down. So I thought we'll have a pullback, but we don't have it. I was not able to follow the trend, which was not good for today. Really. I had a loss I never had since I started here. But yes, I mean, I have one day I have this kind of loss, but this is the second day, second time. But the other loss I had was during the day. It wasn't in the evening like this one. Today, I don't follow the trend. Good. I think we have one winner today. Even one. No good. This kind of trend, somebody were not able to catch up even small candle on it. It's not good, man. It's very, very bad. Wednesday trader today is garbage. Yeah, it's a garbage for me. Anyway, I accept it, trader. I take it. That's the experience of trading. When you trade, you're gonna have experiences, So All right, trader. I've reached my max loss on both accounts today, so I gotta stop here trading. It's okay. I take my defeat. You know, I don't want to keep trading. Cher trader, j'ai atteint mon max loss dans les deux accounts. C'est beaucoup. Donc, j'ai fait la défaite aujourd'hui. C'est bon. Je vais revenir demain. Merci beaucoup de votre assistance et d'avoir été des nôtres ici. Nous allons nous revoir demain à 21h15. Tomorrow we'll see at 9:15. Thank you, trader. Gotta stop here.